great pleasure to welcome all of you to the Pune International Film Festival. This is the 8th film festival. I would like to welcome all your excellencies, all diplomats, members of the jury, all directors, filmmakers, technicians and actors.
निशब्दावर मात करीत तो ओरडला आकाशाकडे पाहून कोणी आहे का?
इसके लिए मुझे 160 पिक्चरें और 40 साल की मेहनत और 40 साल लगे मुझे इस लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड हासिल करने के लिए। मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ आप सबका, मेरी ऑडियंस का, मेरे दोस्तों का। ये आप है जिन्होंने मुझे एक्टर से स्टार बनाया, स्टार से सुपरस्टार।
Jewels of timeless exquisiteness, unforgettable and indelible pieces of melodious wonders. Lakshmikant Pyarelal, the music composer duo that musically hypnotized the entire nation.
We're in the 8th chapter of the Pune International Film Festival. We are growing and like every year we have competition, and this year we have 15 films from 15 different countries. In fact, we had about 280 entries for the world competition, of which we have selected only 15.
The experience here is very different from ours, but it's very rich. You know, cinema is a big thing here.
We have in this festival a series, a retrospective of French films, retrospective of Nouvelle Vague, New Wave.
Hi, this is Atul Kulkarni. Our team is here to present our film called Natrang. It's a film in Marathi language. In a place like this, PIF, you always expect a crowd which has the knowledge of cinema, not only the liking but the knowledge, and to present the film to them is definitely something one is looking forward to, especially in PIF, because PIF has generated its own crowd in Pune, and it has created its own space in the film circuit all over the world, and people look forward to this festival. One thing which I feel about PIF is that it's a very good thing that they have opened a section for Marathi films, competition section. So of course Marathi films are benefited because of that.
Hi, I'm Natasha Bawa, a student from Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies, and I registered for PIF a few days ago. I'm really looking forward to it because they show a lot of exciting movies and which are really interesting, and so I really look forward to seeing them all.
Hello, my name is Gabriel. I'm a French student at the University of Pune, and I came to the festival this year because it's a unique opportunity to see a lot of other Indian movies, foreign movies, like for instance French movies, German movies. It's a bit of change compared with classic Indian movies, so that's why I enjoy it.
अब देखिए जिसको हम बोलते मेलेडी, वो आज आपको बताता हूँ मैं। आएगा आएगा आएगा, मेलेडी कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ सॉन्ग फॉर फिल्म।
जितने भी आपके साइलेंट सीन हैं जिसमें कि डायलॉग नहीं बोले जाते हैं, कैरेक्टर्स जो हैं सीन्स नहीं बोलता था और साइलेंट सीन्स होते हैं, वो सिर्फ म्यूजिक के थ्रू ही उसकी मन की भाषा, उसके आंतरिक द्वंद्व की या सॉरोज एंड जॉयज की भाषा को म्यूजिक बोलता है। पर कभी कभी गाना फिल्म का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण पार्ट बनता है और उस गाने के थ्रू हम ड्रामा क्रिएट करते हैं।
एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था।
Pune being a place of my education in cinema, whenever this kind of festival is held in Pune, I feel responsible that I must contribute something. This Pune International Film Festival is a very, very essential and very healthy exercise for the development of the inner side for young generation, for the young filmmakers and the people who are interested in expressing through cinema. Pune Festival is for everyone. Pune Festival is for the younger generation to grow. Pune Film Festival is to widen your horizon about the rest of the world.
Give me some sunshine, give me some rain.
If it is sounding good to my ear, I like it. If it doesn't sound good to my ear, let's go simple kar do. I think then everything is taken care of. Yeah.
It's amazing to see how big Pune Film Festival has grown. I remember 7-8 years back, I read a small column in a newspaper that something like that is happening, and today I see this huge thing and posters everywhere and directions, Pune Film Festival, and it's a fantastic feeling that a vision which was small suddenly has become big. I've just conducted the workshop which is on music.
There are obligatos, there are stilettos, there are counters, there is counter melodies, there is a choral happening there, but you cannot hear all that.
So what I did was I put myself as a student, that if I wanted to ask something or what do I feel about the industry, and I think I had a great session where I talked about the masters like Bimal Roy and Salil Chaudhary and put that in today's perspective. It's nice to have young boys and girls asking questions, and these are small steps for a country where the largest number of films happens anywhere in the world. These are important steps so that the largest also becomes some of the best in the world, and I think that is why this film festival is very important.
What I have chosen for today is a topic which is basically the thematic challenge. Socio-political consciousness as a challenge for Indian films. इसी तरह ज़माना में हिम्मत न हार जवाहर, वो दुनिया बदल दे जिस दुनिया में बच्चों की मुस्कान। मन तरपत हरिदर शरण को आज।
They talk about the film, they analyze the film, and they have to understand even more difficult films. And this system kind of brings up more and more people who can watch art house films.